So this is a farm that is trying to put integration into pastoral systems, and here training communities on how to integrate fodder forage with fruit crops, fruit trees, and of course some small scale subsistence farming is what is also happening. Now the challenge is being a rangeland, we are seeing the new threat of a cocktail of invasive species. Here we have Parthenium, we have Datura here, which is becoming a big problem, especially for the livestock keepers who are basically pastoral communities within this particular region of the Horn of Africa. And as you can see here, this is a Parthenium, really making a lot of seeds, going to contribute much into problem of seed bank. And here we have the fruit trees, of course, mangoes. I've got the banana over there, and here we are trying to make sure that these communities do the right thing, especially when it comes to managing these invasives. For example, you can see here the mango is here growing very well, but Parthenium is also part of the system. All over here you are seeing Parthenium with other invasives. Here we have Solanum as well, another third species within the area. How can this main problem, especially the Parthenium, be addressed? We are talking about timely uprootal of this particular species. You know, removing it at the stage where there is no fruits or flowers of it. And of course, when that is done in combination with any other species like this, salam type, and making sure that you burn it. So we are telling them to heap the material in one place, dry it up, and burn it completely into ashes so that we're able to deal with the soil gene bank load. Otherwise, this, if not done, is going to be a big problem, and that should be done very carefully to ensure that all the seeds are burned, not like some plant parts remaining unburned, like you can see on the sides, because that will still give them another problem of the next plant to grow. And that should be done probably more into addressing this issue of invasive within our rangelands, as much as we extend good technologies, agroforestry, of course, silvopastoralism. Then we need to also think about that as a challenge. And over there we are seeing maize crop as well, dual purpose, of course, to support household food security, but also residues for feed as well is something that is being promoted. And managing the weeds is still a main challenge, even within the fodder crops as well. Then pasture also getting challenges with the invasives, Parthenium within the grasslands that are being done here. And this is one of the major threats also within the croplands. Parthenium still being one of the very conspicuous invasive problematic species of invasives within this particular system.